guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a drugstore look. I'm just feeling super drugstore-y. By the way, I just have to show you my shirt really quick. If this offends you in any way, I apologize, but you can't lie. Like, it's funny. This is not a pro-MAGA shirt. I just want to let you know that right now, if you are pro-Trump, I respect your rights to have an opinion and I respect your right to vote. Is this shirt not everything? Like, come on. You can't help but not laugh at this. I love it so very much, and there's like an evil, very evil little person inside of me that lives, and I have a pro-Trump relative flying in for Christmas. I love him so much. He's wonderful. We don't see eye to eye on a few things, but that doesn't change how much I love him. But I'm half tempted to wear this shirt on Christmas. Like, that would be, I won't. That would be a real dickhead move. It would only start a fight, I know it, but like, come on. It's like a really good shirt. I'm obsessed with it. Anyway, let's move on. Today we're going to be doing a drugstore look. I bought this palette in the drugstore a few weeks ago. It's by Milani. It's their Pure Passion palette, and I've never used it. And I was like, holy crap, that looks beautiful. It literally looks like a high-end makeup palette. So I want to use some of this today. I want to use some other drugstore stuff, but I think I want to first start with the face. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. This is in the shade Soft Beige. This actually might be a shade too beigey on me. I'm nervous. I can't find my other photo focus. Oh, it is going to be too dark. Dang it. I know I have another one somewhere. Anyway, what's up with you guys? What's new? How are you enjoying SHAEMAS? This past week, I got a lot of videos like off my like checklist for the end of the year videos I really wanted to do before the end of 2018, like my huge eyeshadow palette declutter video. If you missed that, I decluttered 60 eyeshadow palettes, which is madness. I did my wedding update video and like a Q&A in that video if you missed it. I will link these down below if I can remember, but they're just on my channel. If you just go to my channel page, they're right there. The wedding update video was so fun because I really haven't talked about my wedding much. I mean, I have and I haven't as far as details go. So that video was kind of like the first time I really talked about like what we were doing, what our theme is. It was just really fun and it was so awesome answering your guys' questions. I was so scared to do a Q&A because I really didn't think a single person would ask a question. So when I saw questions coming in, I was like, oh my god, this is amazing. Next, you guys know I've really been enjoying some cream products lately. This is the Jordana Sculpt and Go Cream Contour Stick. I haven't used this in so long, so I was like, let me give it another go. And I'm going to buff that in with my Sigma Concealer Blend Kabuki F79 brush. This Saturday, you guys are probably watching this video on Sunday, so Saturday we are going to pick out our wedding bands, which I'm unbelievably excited for. It's like the one detail I keep forgetting we need to do, so I was kind of like, oh crap, Alok, like we should probably go do that before the wedding like comes and we don't have wedding bands, because that's something we would totally do. We're a mess. I'm telling you, if we did not have a wedding planner, which we do, goodness gracious, I would be so stressed out right now. She's really making my life like so much easier. I know this is strong. I'm gonna, you know, kind of clean it up. I'm an amateur contourer with cream, so I have like my system that I use that I like where I kind of go in a little more aggressively and then I clean it up with my foundation sponge. Definitely no, I never claim to be a pro cream contourer. Let's hit up this jawline, thin it out a bit. Also Saturday so we're going to brunch in Philly, which I'm so excited about. They have the coolest restaurants. If you guys are anywhere near Philly, well, first of all, if you're near Philly, I'm sure you've eaten there many times because it's amazing. But they just have I'm taking whatever's left on the brush. I don't know why, and I'm just bringing it on that forehead. Bronze the forehead, pray to Jesus. You know my motto. But we're going to Philly for brunch, and then we're going to go look for our engagement rings. And then that night, I actually did a little surprise for Alok, which I'm dreading. I'm very open with him about how much I hate this. I'm taking my Makeup Revolution concealer. This is in the shade C6. Hopefully it matches. And I'm just gonna carve out that contour. Anyway, I surprised Alok with football tickets because he's a huge Houston Texans fan. Don't ask me why, because he's not from Texas whatsoever, but that's his team. And they're actually playing the New York Jets on Saturday. And he was freaking out the other night because we had the plan to like go to Philly and go to brunch and find our rings and have like a cute little wedding day. And then he texted me, he was like, oh my god, when he was at work, and he was like, the Texans will be in North Jersey on Saturday. Like, can we please go? Can we please go? He's never been to a Texans game, so I totally understand his excitement, but I will not lie that in the minute that he asked, I was so freaking annoyed because, like, all you need to know about Alok is that football rules his life. Football controls his entire existence. And I was just like, oh my gosh, this would so totally happen. I'm all excited for our day of wedding stuff. You know, we were gonna go look at other wedding things, some things we're, you know, we want to have at the wedding. You know, pick out our bands, do a cute little brunch. And I just thought it was gonna be the most romantic, like, cutest little wedding day. So in my moment of being a bridezilla, I was like, fine, we can go, but I'm not happy about it. Like, I'm not. He instantly was like, no, 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 we don't have to go. We don't have to go. Like, he was like, I don't want to ruin that day for you. If you, you know, saw it going a certain way, I don't want to ruin it. And then I was like, oh, well, now I'm an asshole. So I was like, you know what? I thought about it for like 20 minutes. And then I was like, what am I doing? I am being so ridiculous and I'm being so rude because it's been his dream to see the Texans play. They actually don't really come to the East Coast that often from what he tells me. I don't know. He could have just said that to make sure we go. I don't know. It's been his lifelong dream to see the Texans play. They're gonna be here. So then to kind of make myself feel better for being such an immediately, because I know that was really rude for me to be upset when it's like, you know, what harm could be done for me going to a football game? So then to surprise him, I went ahead and bought the tickets and he just wanted to buy. He's so sweet and humble. Like, obviously with us trying to save for the wedding, things are really, really tight right now financially for us. And so he just wanted to buy the little like $8 tickets for the game and like sit up in the nosebleeds, which he would have loved just the same. But I went ahead and got him a little bit nicer tickets so that he can like fully enjoy his game like up close, and he was so unbelievably excited. So I just feel really bad that I kind of was a brat at first, but you know, it's just not the way I saw it going, but that's okay. In the scheme of things, what matters to me more is that he has like the best day ever, and if we now have to go to a football game as well, that's what we have to do. So now to set all of that, I'm going to take my Airspun powder. I'm going to go ahead and set that everywhere. I like to go on my eyelid as well. So long story short, even though I kept it really, really long, Saturday is going to be such a busy day for us. What is the matter with you? My cat, Luca, just came in screaming at me. You just had lunch. Why are you unhappy? You have no reason to be upset. Oh my goodness. We have a Luca Buca in the house, everyone. Luca James. How am I? You're screwing up my bake. I just ruined my nose bake. Say hi. This is Sir Knight Luca Buca James III. He's a very regal bub. He's a very proper sir, aren't you? Yeah. Mwah. Absolutely, you good baby. Do you have, oh no, you have some of my bake on your head. How does that happen, Baba? Oh my god. He just wants to sleep in my arms. She's such a sweet baby. I know. You don't want mommy to be filming. I love you. I love you. Can you be a good boy for mommy? Oh, you are so sweet. Come on. And I'm going to bake under that contour. I'm telling you, it is a zoo in this house. Oh, he's so mad at me right now. I feel so bad. I'm also going to take some of the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Powder. This is in the shade Natural Beige. Oh my gosh, why is this makeup? Oh, this must be all my summer makeup. It's been a while since I bought like new drugstore makeup. Also, it's been a while since I used foundation powder, so I guess that's why I haven't had one that matches me. I've gotten in the habit of just using translucent powder. Now that my skin's cleared up quite a bit, I really don't need the extra coverage. I don't even know why I'm using this right now. I just saw it and I was like, hey, I haven't used that in a while. I'm also going to take the Wet n Wild bronzer in the shade Ticket to Brazil. I haven't even opened this yet. Ooh, I haven't even opened this, you guys. I hope I like it. I hope it's not too light on me. It looks a little light. We'll give her a go. You never know. Oh, no, it might be fine. Oh, so powdery. So powdery. Oh, that's got a sheen. Dang it. I don't like a sheeny bronzer. Some days I do, usually not, just because I have more textured skin, so it really kind of tends to show the texture. For blush, I'm going to use one of my favorites. This is the Milani Romantic Rose blush. Oh, they're just so beautiful. Do they still sell these? They better, because this is forever just a favorite. They are so beautiful, the shades themselves, and I mean, how cute is that rose? I've had this for so long. Like, this is one of those products I will never throw away. It's so cute. That really was not enough bronzer for me. I'm actually going to take a little bit of this Physicians Formula Bronze Booster palette because you guys know me. That's not enough forehead bronzer. Going to go into this one on the end with my dual fiber brush and work that into my forehead and my hairline. Oh, that's better. I'm going to go ahead and dust off my contour bake. I don't really need that long. Okay, now let's get into the eyes. What did I do? Oh, here we go. My room is a mess right now because of SHAEMAS, you guys. It looks like a bomb went off in here. I'm going to take the Milani Pure Passion palette. Finally, I've been so excited to use this. And what do I want to do first? I'm actually first going to take this kind of pinky shade. Great giant mirror in here. Love that. And I'm going to work this through the crease. Ooh, pigmented. I think that looks pretty good. I next want to, oh, I hate myself. You know I have to go into this kind of burgundy shade down here and pop that in the crease. I'm so sad that I have to film another video after I do this video. I'm going to be live swatching the new Kathleen Lights ColourPop collection. Don't get me wrong, I'm really excited to do that. But I have a feeling I'm really going to like this makeup look and I'm going to be sad to take it off so soon. but it's a really busy weekend for me. I've actually, if you guys can believe it, I've actually been filming the SHAEMAS videos like every single day. I haven't had any pre-film. I ran out of my pre-filmed videos in like the first week of SHAEMAS. So now every single day I've been filming, editing, uploading, filming, editing, uploading, even on the weekends. And this is the first weekend that I can't do that because, like I told you guys, we have so many plans. And so today being Friday, I really have to step my game up and do a few videos today. I can't even believe we're halfway through SHAEMAS. I hope you guys have been enjoying it as much as I have. I'm going to take some of this kind of more creamy shade. This is my E54 brush from Sigma, and I just want to pop that into the brow bone as our highlight shade and attempt to really fuse all those things together. Fusing and things. If any of you are new to my channel and you found us through SHAEMAS, please let me know in the comments down below. I would love to get to know you. Let us know your name. I will say right now the Shea Butters are the kindest, I'm telling you, the kindest community on YouTube. They are so sweet to each other, to me. I love my girls and guys. They're winners, legit. There are some really good people here. Let's go into this deeper shade here. I can't quite tell if it's a burgundy or like an espresso shade. Maybe a fusion. Maybe they be fusing. And I'm gonna pop this on that outer crease and blend that in. This is my Sigma Beauty E25 blending brush. These shadows are pretty. For being drugstore, are you kidding me? This next thing I've been dying to use from Milani. This is one of their hypnotic lights in the shade 05 Prismatic Light, I believe it is. It's like this really cool blue. It's kind of like a blue, purple, and I'm gonna pop this on the lid. Oh my goodness, that is so blue. I was not expecting all the pigment. I mean, I am not upset about it. It's just like, yes, when you try something and it really is as amazing as you were hoping it was. That's how I feel right now. Oh my goodness, it's so amazing. This is a drugstore gem, people. I am so happy right now. I am so happy. So I'm gonna dust off all this powder under my eyes and then we will move on. Hi, I'm back. Loving this. Okay, so I tight lined my lash line with the Milani Stay Put Waterproof Eyeliner. It is my go-to black eyeliner right now. It is amazing. It is so black and so creamy. Living, living, living. A little detail brush. I'm going to take my E20 smudge brush from Sigma Beauty. It's actually called the short shader and I always call it the smudge brush. I don't know why. Probably because I just smudge colors. I'm going to first take this really, I wasn't even showing you, I'm so sorry. This really warm brown orangey shade. Am I filming? I am. And I'm gonna buff that into the lower lash line. Oh, honey! Pigmented! Are you kidding me? Smush that in and keep buffing. Make sure it's not a real tight line. You want to have a little bit of transition or, you know, just a little smoothness to it. So I just keep buffing and buffing and buffing. And then for mascara, I'm going to use my Flower Beauty Lash Warrior mascara. You guys know I love, 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 love this mascara. The wand is so good. It's like real spiky. It's not quite as spiky as Benefit They're Real, but the effect like kind of reminds me of that mascara. And I'm just not feeling falsies today whatsoever. I can't stand putting them on, and I know you guys really like no falsie tutorials, which is perfect for me because I hate them. So I'm just using this mascara because I know I love how it looks. Like, bam, it is cute. Lastly, on the face, we need a little bit of highlighter. I'm going to take my Physicians Formula Warm Nude Highlighter brick thing. This has been one of my favorites for many, many years as far as like drugstore highlighters go. Just think it's super cute. So I just kind of go at it like that, go crazy, and pop that on the cheek. I mean, it's just cute. It's simple. It's affordable, but like even kind of not. I feel like Physicians Formula, last I checked anyway, I'll be honest, I haven't bought makeup from Physicians Formula in a long time, but last I remember their products being a little more pricey than other drugstore products. But I mean, look at that. Oh my gosh, my nose, it looks like aluminum. That is a glow, people. And then on the lips, I want to line with my favorite lip liner. It is Jordana's Easy Liner for Lips in the shade Rock and Rose. And then on top of that, what should we use? What is this color? Oh, this might be nice. This is Revlon's Rise Up Rose. It is a matte formula. It looks gorgeous. What do you guys think about that color? I think that's really pretty. And then to set that, I'm going to use the CoverGirl Look Lock Up Setting Spray. What do you guys think of this look? I love it so much. This Milani freaking thing is amazing. The Hypnotic Lights. It is absolutely gorgeous. I am obsessed with this. It was so much fun to play with color, and it's even better knowing it's all from the drugstore. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to come back to my channel tomorrow for another new video. I love you guys so very much, and I will see you again soon. Bye!